I'm going to go short here and reach for that sell side liquidity at 577 and a quarter, or 0.75 rather. So that was a run on buy side liquidity. I'm going to add more at the breaker. That is the level I was watching, which is a bearish order block and bearish breaker. I'm going to do some standard deviation work here. It's already hit the one standard deviation for it, like a scalp, but I'm aiming for down here. So I have the depth of market on to the right that apparently just got added to TradingView. I'm just showing you it actually has no bearing whatsoever on what I'm doing. So that's the swing that we use for the low hanging fruit objective, but I'm using it more or less of a swing model now, aiming for a larger pool of liquidity, and I'm going to adjust it so that way my limit order should fill with that projection. Okay, just sitting here waiting for it to deliver as expected. And yes, I'm showing you an example with the paper trading module. Some foreshadowing. So let me show you where this trade's executions were, and I'll show you where the sell side liquidity pool is. Take a gander at those fills. We'll get rid of that, and let's scrub this over here. Let you see where the sell side relative equal lows are. Right there. Okay. Hope you found it insightful. Be safe.